To use the iGaging plane check gauge, put it on the sole of the plane, turn it on and press it to 0. If we then lift it over so it spans the plane blade in the centre, we can see the centre of that plane blade is 0.03 above the sole. What we can also do is put it at the back and the front edge to see what setting is the different positions. Nothing at the back, nothing at the front. That means I've got a cambered blade, it's perfectly set out, it's not cutting at the edges but it is cutting at the centre. That will give me a very shallow scoop flat cut. If we needed to adjust the blade by pushing the lateral adjustment lever, we'll see how this will change. That's now 0.14 at the front edge and has completely disappeared at the back. If I push the lateral adjustment lever the other way, it's now gone to the other extreme. So you can use this to really check exactly whether you're high at the front edge, the back edge, or hopefully your camber is spot on in the middle. If it's a totally flat blade you've got, then you want that reading to be the same all the way across that blade. If you're setting up a plain blade, again, you can pop it over the center point there, adjust the brass adjusting wheel, and then you'll start seeing how far that blade is coming out. That's a really good cut. If you want to check out more detailed videos, then please look at us on woodworkersworkshop.co.uk and look at our social media channels.